everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 1, that is real numbers. So starting with the second exercise, that is 1.2, our first question says express each number as product of its prime factor. So part 1 says 140. So the answer is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, that are prime factor, therefore which is equals to 2 square into 5 into 7. Second part says 156. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, that is 2 square plus into 3 into 13. Third part says 3825, which is equals to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, or we can write it as 3 square into 5 square into 17. Fourth part says 5005. So the answer is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Fifth part says 7429. So here 17 into 19 into 23. Moving to a question number 2, which says find the LCM and the HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. So part 1 says 26 and 91. So here 26 is equals to 2 into 13 and 91 is equals to 7 into 13. Therefore HCF will be 13 and LCM is 2 into 7 into 13, that is 182. Therefore, the product of two number is 26 into 91, which will give you 2366. And HCF into LCM, which is the product of number, is 2366 by multiplying 13 into 182. Second part says 510 and 92. So here 510 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. And 92 is 2 into 2 into 23. Where HCF is 2 and LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23, which will give you 23460, and product of two number is 510 into 92, which will give you 46920. Moving further, HCF into LCM, which will give you 2 into 23460, which will give you 46920. Third part says 336 and 52. So 336 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, that will give you 2 power 4 into 3 into 7, and 52 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 2 into 3 power 3. So HCF is 6, that is 2 into 3, and LCM is 2 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 7, that will give you 3024. So the product of two number is 336 into 54, which will give you 18144, and HCF into LCM, that is equals to 6 into 3024, which will give you 18144. So therefore hence product of two number is HCF into LCM only. Moving to question number 3, which says find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization methods. So part 1 says 12, 15 and 21. So here 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, or we can write it as 2 power 2 into 3. 15, that is 3 into 5. 21, that is 3 into 7. Therefore HCF is 3 and LCM is 2 power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, which will give you 420. Second part says 17, 23 and 29. So 17, that is 1 into 17. 23, that is 1 into 23. 29, that is 1 into 29. Therefore HCF will be 1 and LCM will be 17 into 23 into 29, which will give you 11339. Third part says 8, 9 and 25. 8, that is 2 into 2 into 2, or we can write it as 2 power 3. 9, that is 3 into 3, or we can write it as 3 power 2. 25, that is 5 into 5. Again we can write it as 5 power 2. Therefore HCF and LCM is equals to 8 into 9 into 25, that will give you 1800. Moving to question number 4, which says given that HCF of 306 and 657 is equals to 9. Find LCM of 306 and 657. So here the answer is HCF, that is 306 and 657 is given, that is 9. We know that LCM is into HCF is product of two number. Therefore we can find it as LCM, that is product of two number divided by HCF. That will give you 306 into 657 divided by 9, which is equals to 22338. So the LCM is 22338. Moving to question number 5, which says check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number, that is n. So answer is if any natural number ends with digit 6, it should be divisible by 10. So the prime factor of 6 power n, that is equals to 2 into 3 power n. Therefore, it can be observed that 5 is not in the prime factorization of 6 power n. Hence, for any value of n, 6 power n will not be divisible by 5. Therefore, 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number, that is n. Moving to our question number 6, which says, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So here the answer is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is equals to 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1, that is equals to 13 into 77 plus 1. So 13 into 78 and 13 into 13 into 6. The given expression has 6 and 13 as its vectors. It is a composite number. Therefore, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is equals to 5 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Therefore, it will give you 5 into 1008 plus 1. That is 5 into 1009. So 1009 cannot be factorized further. Therefore, the given expression has 5 and 1009 as its vector. Hence, it is a composite number. Moving to our last question of this exercise, that is 7. There is a circular path around a sport field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of field, whereas Ravi takes 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So answer is LCM of 18 minutes and 12 minutes, that is 18, which is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, and 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3. So the LCM of 12 and 18 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which will give you 36. Therefore, Ravi and Sonia will meet together at the starting point after 36 minutes. So guys, this is all from this exercise. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.